What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have an amazing 8-bedroom, 7-bathroom villa located in Salem, St. Anne, Jamaica. This property offers the perfect enclave with a balanced design that has multiple uses. For example, an income generator, personal use, or both. The land area of this home is 14,973 square feet, and the sale price on this home is US 450,000 or Jamaican $70 million. Complemented by a lovely pool and beautiful gardens. This home is perfect for great living. This home is comprised of 4 one-bedroom apartments, a one-bedroom townhouse, a self-contained studio apartment, and a 2-bedroom apartment with own kitchen and living. Each unit is also fully furnished. Other features of this home includes ceramic and marble tiling, private setting, grill, senior oriented, and level lot. Now let's take a look at this property. And remember to leave a comment and let us hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.